Question number 22. ABC is a triangle with angle A 35, angle B 100. If this is so, by angle sum property we can see that this is 135 and this comes to, because sum is 180. 180 minus 135 will give my angle C. Once this achieved, I will now try to achieve this equality by dropping the perpendicular as has been given here. BD is perpendicular to AC. Now out of this 100 angle, having dropped the perpendicular, since this is 90 degrees, I have a 90 here and a 90 here. From this 90 and this happens to be 135 and this will be another 90, because angle sum property of this triangle should be 180. 90 plus 135, 180 minus 135 comes to 45. When these two angles are equal, then these two sides would be equal. Hence DB equals to DC, hence proved. So you have to present it. The given is this and to prove part is this. Now angle C comes to 45. The perpendicular having been given in the problem, this has been given component. Now we have 90 here and we have achieved 45 here, equation 1, and we have to arrive at angle DBC. We have to find out this angle, let it be X for the time being, and 135 comes this side, it is X will be 45 degrees. Therefore for angle B, DC is the side, and for angle C, BD is the side. Therefore sides, all we need to write is sides opposite to angles are equal, hence proved.